can't think of anything good to get my dad for Christmas. Maybe I'll just get him another tie.
Stop! Don't buy that tie. Orange with hearts? Seriously?
But what else would I buy him? He has everything already.
Get him the new Ultra Q barbecue controller. It controls the temperature of your charcoal grill or smoker with oven-like precision. The controller keeps your grill temperature steady. It prevents the temperature swings that ruin your meat. If your dad loves to barbecue, this is the gift for him.
That does sound really cool. Can the controllers work with any grill?
It's simple. We've got a guide to help you find the kit that fits your setup. Each kit comes with a fan. You know what's one size fits all? Ties. Don't listen to this guy. Your dad loves ties. As I was saying, each kit comes with probes, a fan, and an adapter to fit almost any grill or smoker. All you need to know is the make and model of your dad's grill. Then use the Guru Guide to find the right kit. Yeah, but it's probably super hard to use. Your dad doesn't need another fancy gadget to figure out. They're actually really easy to use. One probe goes in the grill and the other one goes in the food. You can set both your cooking temperature and your food temperature in the mobile app and control it with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The Ultra Q monitors the cook, tells the fan when to blow more air over the coals, and that keeps your temperature steady. Ooh, an app. So you constantly have to check your phone for cook status, huh? Not at all. The Ultra Q is a status light ring to let you know how your cook's going at a glance. It'll let you know when you're at temperature, if you need to add more charcoal, and has an audible alert to check your food temperature. That is pretty cool, I guess, but you can't sit and stare at lights all day. And there's no need to. Your app tracks your cooking temperature in real time, sends you text alerts when your food's ready, and you could even graph for review later. No micromanaging needed. So, say I were to get one of these, not that I am, where would I get one? Just go to bbqguru.com. This is awesome. My cousin's gonna love this. He's right. Save the tie for another day. Get him the Ultra Q instead. Just remember, tell him Bob sent you.